Good morning, Jeffrey. I hope you rested a lot during the weekend and now you're full of energy to start the new week. So, this week we continue learning about plants and animals adaptations. It will be one of the last weeks, if not the last one, depending how fast we are working, of this unit. Okay, so then you will have a big task to do, a project, and we'll move on the next unit. Probably next week or in 10 days. Okay, so we will see. So as I already said today, plants and animals adaptations and rainforests. Okay, so that's what we are going to talk about today. But let's start with mathematics. So for maths, I would like you to watch a video on YouTube with a math teacher. He is really good and I really enjoyed watching his video, so I hope you will enjoy it as well. So we were discovered polygons today. Okay, so you've got a video to be watched and he will explain you the properties of polygons. Okay, so I would like you to watch it, and after watching it, in your math notebook, I would like you to draw a polygon and label side, vertices, and angles. Okay, those three things. You will know what they are if you don't know yet after watching the video, so don't worry. Then, second task after watching is a Kahoot game. Okay, so I would like you to tell me to answer some questions about the 2D shapes with the use of the vocabulary you will learn while watching the video. For the volunteers, there are two more Kahoot games. One is connected with 2D shapes and the other with counting. All four operations we have already mentioned on maths, addition, subtraction, multiplication, and some division. So that's all for math. All the links and challenges are in our schedule for today. Okay? English. Revise the irregular verbs, please, by playing some games. Okay? So that's what I would like you to do for English and in your diary, as usually. 5 sentences or more if you want. Okay? So there are a few topics to be chosen. First one. While exploring the rainforest, you discover a new insect. What does it look like? How does it live its life? What will you name it? Do you think it will have any medical benefit to the world? That's the first topic. The second one is describe your daily life as a gorilla in the rainforest. Or, if you were a butterfly in the rainforest, how would you protect yourself? And the last one, what would you give a parrot as a birthday present? And why? So there are 4 topics to be chosen. There are 4 topics and you choose one. Okay? So you need to choose just one. But if you want and you can't decide, as an extension, you can write more than one. So you can answer for more than one writing prompt in your diary. Okay? So, rainforest, as I already mentioned, is a topic, that's the topic for our unit of inquiry. So first of all, I would like you to watch a video about the rainforest. Okay? So just to revise, just to know what's the rainforest. And that's the first task. Later on, I want you to read about the rainforest because some of you prefer watching, and for some it's easier to understand the written text. Okay, so the tropical rainforest, 1 page, It's not a reading comprehension, just the text with information about the tropical rainforest. Okay? Because that's what we are going to focus on. Location, weather, seasons, animals, and plants. So all the things that we discussed during our unit. So the final task after watching and reading is today to learn about the layers of the rainforest. How is it built? Okay, how is the rainforest built? What are the layers, the levels, let's say, of that? And on the Google Drive, there is a special folder in which you will find some pictures presenting rainforest. They are all there are 5 of them. Yeah, 4, 5, and all of them give you the same information. Okay, so they give you the names of the layers and their short description. So there is no need to read all of them. However, there is not much text, so you can just have a look. Okay. The best one, I think, is this one. This one's the best, as it gives you the explanation of the rainforest. However, if we talk about the explanation, the description of the rainforest, of the layers of the rainforest, there is a PowerPoint presentation, okay? So which I would like you to check. It's not only about the layers, but about all the important words and all the important adaptations we should remember about after today's lesson. Okay? So, going back to the layers, what's your task? Your task is to check those photos, the PowerPoint presentation, and then after learning about the plants in your unit of inquiry, I would like you to draw, or on a piece of paper if you want to paint with paint and then just add it to your unit of inquiry. Okay? I would like you to draw the layers of the tropical rainforest and label them. So just draw it and write the name of the layer. Okay? There are some keywords I would like you to use, and you will definitely know them after checking the layers, the pictures of the layers that I added on Google Drive. And plants adaptations will be discussed during our Zoom lesson today. So that's our topic for today. Plants adaptations. We are going to discuss it. That's why I want you to have your unit of inquiry notebooks, please, as well, because we might be writing something there. Okay? And your whiteboards, please. What's important? Today we are meeting at 10:30, and it will be our time to meet every day. We will just move the lessons from 11 to 10:30, as some of our brothers and sisters are having lessons as well, and we need to deal with it. Okay, that we need more than one of us needs a laptop and internet access. So we will just move it, and the other classes will move it as well a bit, and then we'll have some compromise. There is also for the volunteers, there are 2 tasks actually. One is to read aloud the text, the layers of the tropical rainforest. That's the text. Okay. Record yourself and send me the video or just the text read by you. Okay. I would like you to do it. I know it's an extra task and it's not obligatory. However, I would like most of you to do it, okay? As long as I didn't hear you reading aloud for a long time, it would be really nice if you do it for me. There is no deadline for it, so it doesn't need to be done for tomorrow, but let's say till the end of the week. Okay, recording your reading. And one more task for volunteers. It's about tropical water collectors. So it's a short experiment. You will need a pineapple. Okay, so it's not obligatory, again, but if you like eating pineapples and you buy them, so there is a long-term experiment you may do, and everything's explained in the video. So you will need some scraps of the pineapple. So if you have it in the kitchen, you may eat it and use the leaves for the experiment. Okay, everything's described in the text, and that's actually it. So we are meeting today at 10:30. Okay, to have our lesson about rainforest, and we will focus on plants today, not on animals but on plants. So have fun and see you in a few hours. See you.